Hey guys, my name is Chris. I had a sound wave healing with Astaria that was incredible. I had three. My first one was amazing. I had a release of old pain that I've had for a long time since my cancer started. And during my second healing, I had a super great emotional release. Old negative blockage in my body and in my mind. And in the third session, I felt a deep sense of calming, and my body was in tune with itself, and I felt so at peace and so relaxed and not in pain. And this was an amazing experience. I recommend it to all of you who come here.